Hi, I'm Dave with SPRUCE Industries. Numerous studies have been conducted that prove students will achieve better grades while learning in a cleaner environment, which is why it is important that the classroom is properly and efficiently cleaned daily. Here's a list of recommended products. In the classroom, we recommend cleaning from high to low to avoid having to repeat steps. With that notion in mind, use your high dusting tool to remove dust particles from the top of cabinets, windowsills, lights, and vents. Using a non-ammoniated glass cleaner or whiteboard cleaner, clean the whiteboards. An often forgotten step is window cleaning. Use your glass cleaner with a microfiber wipe to cover the entire surface area of the window. If applicable, check all dispensers to see if they need refills to be replaced. Next, we're going to use a cleaner and disinfectant to hit all the high touch points. It is important to note that when cleaning anything electrical, spray your cleaner and disinfectant onto the wiper first and not directly onto the object. High touch points in the classroom include light switches, doorknobs, and cubbies. Using the same cleaner and disinfectant, it's time to hit all of the desks and chairs. You can spray the solution directly onto the surface and allow for proper dwell time. Once the appropriate amount of time has passed, you can use a microfiber to wipe the area clean. Now it's time to move on to the floors. Using a smaller 18 or 24-inch dust mop, make sweeping passes down aisles, under desks, and moving chairs as necessary. Use a lobby broom and dustpan to remove all debris and empty into a garbage can. Tie the garbage bag off and replace with a new liner. Now, starting in the area furthest from the exit, use a properly diluted neutral cleaner and mop and bucket to thoroughly clean the floors. The final step is to practice proper hand hygiene and move on to the next classroom.